Hello, Pradeep.
Hi, ma'am. Can
Hi.
you see me? Am I audible? Am I clear?
Yeah, 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 I can
Yeah,
hear you.
I can see you and hear you as well.
Yeah. So,
So,
hello, Pradeep. How are you?
I'm doing great, ma'am. How about you?
I'm also good, also good. So, what are you doing right now? You're outside?
Yes, ma'am. I'm under a tree. I'm
Yeah.
under a tamarind tree to get the signal because the signal issues are not good in our village. So I came here to talk to you.
Okay, talk. Okay, okay. So, I think like you should put your mobile phone somewhere. It was moving too much. Yeah.
Okay, that's
Okay, okay.
because I'm holding it on my mobile.
Okay, it's
Yes,
okay, it's okay, it's okay.
there is no place to place the mobile. That's why I'm
Okay, okay,
holding.
it's okay. It's okay. I can hear you and you are visible also. So,
And
let me know something about yourself.
oh yes, ma'am. I'm, I am Pradeep. As you know, I am Pradeep from Andhra Pradesh, and I'm currently pursuing engineering in the stream of civil engineering branch, and I'm in third year now. And
Okay,
coming to my hobbies, I love to watch movies, listen to music, and reading books. And
okay,
also, I have I also watch the English conversations on YouTube. Content related to English. Yes.
okay. To improve your English side, that's nice.
Yes.
So, you want to know something about myself?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I already know, but yeah, I
Yeah, as you know, my name is Neetu and I'm from Lucknow.
yes,
I am mother of two and I am preparing for teaching exams as well.
yes, ma'am.
You
I
know,
already
and running a YouTube channel also for my hobby, you
yes,
can
ma'am.
say.
Yes.
So,
And for the clarity of viewers, I'm wearing this because I'm just saying that I have recently had my hair cut. Indian cap of farmers because I have recently had my hair cut and it is not the one I wanted. It is it is not good to show it, so I covered it with the Indian cap of farmers.
yeah, you made it by
Indian
your
farmers
towel.
cap.
Yeah,
Yes,
I can
ma'am.
see.
Yes, yeah,
Okay,
it's a
so how
towel.
you hold it? Yeah, it look
Actually,
fine.
I would
Look
wear
fine.
a
No
cap,
problem is there.
but yeah, I would wear a cap, but it was torn it into pieces by a dog yesterday.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about that. It's our culture.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
are Indian and we can do the thing. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
why are you hesitate to show your head like your haircut?
Because I think, yeah, it is not. I mean, I don't like it, and
Okay,
I can't see it for myself, and how can I show it to other? I'm not liking it for myself.
okay, but I watched that in another video, but it was nice. It doesn't means like doesn't seem anything bad. Like it was good.
The barber cut it very short. That it is like the it is like I I paste the hair on my head. It is like
Okay,
that
don't
now.
worry. Don't worry. Grew. It will grow. It will grow.
Yes,
Don't.
it will grow soon, and
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. It will grow soon. So don't worry about that. So
No,
okay,
I'm not.
you are from Andhra Pradesh. Okay.
Yes,
So right from your
yes,
childhood, you are living here there.
yes, yes, ma'am. Uh,
Okay.
I'm 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 living in a village far from the city, Vizag. Yeah, in Andhra
Why is
Pradesh.
it?
Yes, ma'am, Visakhapatnam.
You are in Vizag, so I have heard this name, and because my brother-in-law was there for he was working there some
Wow.
time ago. So my sister-in-law was have been there for 2 or 3 months. So he sometime he take this name like Vizag. I am in
Okay.
Vizag,
Wow,
capital
that's
of
great.
Visakhapatnam.
Uh, no.
I think so.
Yeah, one of the capitals, I think, but there is no, I mean, official information
Okay.
that the yeah capital of Andhra Pradesh. I mean, yeah, Andhra Pradesh. There
Yeah.
are three capitals. I mean, there is a proposal of three capitals of for Andhra Pradesh,
Yeah,
but
yeah, yeah. I have read. Yeah, judiciary capital and
yeah,
administrative capital and one
yes,
is
yes,
forget.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now I forget the name, but yeah, I have read in current affairs book. Yeah.
Judicial, judicial capital. Yes, ma'am, you're right.
Okay, so now you are, what is your what are you doing right now? Acha, you are completing your, pursuing your BTech. You are in
Yes,
last year. Okay.
I'm in third year
So,
now. Third year now, and we were sent to our homes because of the second wave. Actually,
yeah.
yes, ma'am. I, I mean, right now I'm in college, but because of the second wave, we were sent to our homes. Yeah,
Yeah.
and the online classes are over, and the examinations are planning to conduct on online.
Okay.
But there
Yeah.
is no official information about that. Yeah,
It will help after some time because some there are something missing administration or not. In these time, this is like
yes, ma'am.
something chaos is in confusion and everyone is in dilemma what to do,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
to do.
Yes,
Yeah, so it is good to stay home and do your work, learn something new, explore something new,
yes,
yeah, by
yes,
online you can do so
yes,
these
ma'am.
things to make you calm
Yes,
and soothe yourself because mind is not calm right now.
yes, ma'am.
So,
I'm focusing on the language. I mean, on my language by approaching you people to have a
yeah,
conversation with me.
it's a very nice thing. Yeah, so you have been subscribe clap clapping go, I think, no? Okay, so
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
over.
It's over, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So did you
A
learn
month
something
ago.
from them? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I did. Actually, I overcame my nervousness while speaking, and uh, yeah, I think my speaking has improved a bit after the subscription. I would say. Yes.
Yeah, because people are very supportive and
Yes.
they figure out our mistakes and this is a good thing. I like Clappingo most because they figure out your mistakes and you never knows that you are making this mistake. Like
Yes.
they figure out and they will make to know you about what on which dimension you have to work. So it's a
Yes,
good
ma'am.
thing.
They will give some tips and tricks to improve our fluency. Yes, ma'am. You're
Yeah.
right. I do
So
agree with you.
So, Pradeep, one thing I want to ask you, Pradeep, your name is Pradeep Kili. Kili is your title or something different? You added
Yeah,
it.
it's my initial. It's my initial. I mean,
Okay, so
I
mm,
mean, in Andhra Pradesh, people have the initial, their house names like house names, Inti Peru.
okay,
Yeah, yes.
okay.
But maybe
I
in
was
Lucknow,
thinking like, uh,
you put. I mean, your name is followed by. Suppose your
Nitu
husband's
Vishwakarma,
name. I
yeah,
think.
title, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
But
sometime girls women added their
father.
name, husband name
Yes,
also, or sometime
yes,
fathers. Not little like it is not culture here, but some people used to do this. But yeah, the title they put their title behind the name. Like
okay.
I am telling my name is Neetu Vishwakarma. Sorry. Name is
Yes,
Neetu, but Vishwakarma is
okay,
hold. She is crying like
okay, okay. Hi, Buji. Is it Tanvi or
yeah, it's Anvi.
is she Anvi? Hi,
Yeah.
Anvi.
And we say
Is she
hello to
just
Bhaiya.
got up? Hmm.
No,
Hello,
she
Anvi.
she was playing downstairs. I don't know what happened. She started crying.
Okay. Yeah.
Say
And
hello. Hello, Bhaiya. Hello, Bhaiya. Say
Hello,
hello.
Bahan.
He is not in the mood right now.
Yes, ma'am. I can sense it.
Okay. So, Pradeep, do you have any question for me? Like, would you want to ask something?
Uh, Actually, there is no thing, but I would like to uh, know about your language. Is it Hindi, ma'am? In Lucknow, Hindi is the official language.
Simple. Yeah. Yeah, Hindi, you can say they're near Lucknow, they are like Awadhi language, but we generally we can say it in Hindi.
Okay.
I don't know Awadhi. So I
Okay.
am from UP, like Gorakhpur. I am. We all are from like my in-laws are also from belongs to Devariya, and I also. But right now we all are living there in Lucknow.
Okay. And what are your hobbies, ma'am? What would you like to do
Uh,
in your free time?
Okay.
Hmm.
Hobbies, if you come to my hobbies, I like to paint. I used to paint sometime. Like,
Wow, that's a new thing for me. Okay.
yeah, I used to paint. Right, actually, what happened? Right from my childhood, I wanted to be a painter or something. I want to do fine art course after inter, 12th. But what happened? Due to some reason, I I couldn't do that. But yeah, but painting is
Okay.
my hobby. I used to paint sometime.
That's that's great, ma'am. And yeah, painting it. I mean, we should have so much patience to paint a picture. And yeah,
Yeah.
that's a great art, ma'am. That's nice. And do you read books, ma'am, other than academics? And
No, sometime I wanted to, yeah, I want to read, but yeah, I do not have much time to read another like novels. They will take time, and
yes, ma'am.
so I don't read those books. But yeah, right now I am reading my syllabus book, like these things
Okay,
I used to read.
okay, that's great, ma'am. And do you have
I
any
will read.
questions?
Yeah,
Okay,
I will read. Yeah, I will read when I'll get time, like in future, when I get free for some for from my work and like all those things from my exams, then I will definitely read some books. I want to read.
yes, ma'am. I mean, can I give you some suggestions? And do you know Sudha Murthy? Yes, ma'am. Her books was
Yeah, yeah,
great actually. Her books is simple and clear, and there is a great stories. He's a great storyteller.
yeah.
She
Actually,
she
I
is a
like
great.
her voice. Yeah, I like her voice and her motivational videos I have watched sometime. And when she what to say when she क्या कहते हैं उसको
And and
addressed
she
when she addressed students. I watched those videos, and yeah, I watched her in KBC also, right from
wow.
I yeah, and I like her voice, her thinking, her yeah, everything. Like he was how he did his
She,
her engineering. Like
yes,
that
ma'am.
time she was first engineer, I can
All
say.
yes, ma'am. And also in a company. I mean, Tata's company. She's
Yeah,
the first
she
woman
was
to. Yes, ma'am.
Telco, yeah. Yeah, I watched
That
that session in KBC, right from I know come to know that she was first engineer of India. Like,
yeah,
yeah,
eh,
like,
she's a tutor too. I mean, teacher. She's a teacher too. She's a computer science teacher in some college. I don't know. and,
okay.
and she yes,
She established an company also. What was the name? I forgot.
Infosys. Infosys. She
Infosys,
she's the
yeah,
she's one of the founders of the company. Yes, ma'am.
foundational, yeah.
Infosys.
Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, yeah. Yeah. Did you like recommend me any book name of hers?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Have you
how I
read?
taught my grand. Yes, how I taught my grandmother to read. Can I?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
Yeah.
that's a great book. It's she explained her the I mean the stories in the book all are from her experience only, and she explained it so great and in a simple way.
Okay.
How
You
yes,
have read. You have read
yes,
that
I
book.
have read that,
Okay. So there
and
was small
also
stories or something like motivational things.
yes, my small stories with a great moral.
Okay.
Yes,
I will try to read that book if actually yeah, we can read on online also because this time
yes,
we
ma'am.
can't go outside.
I'll send you the PDF. Don't worry.
Okay.
Whenever
Okay.
you get free time, you can stop it. You
Yeah,
can
I
give
can
it a
at least I can read one or two pages in one time. Then like this. Okay. So because na
yes,
I would like to say like in this time there is lockdown in I am in my mother's place, so there due to lockdown everyone is at home and I can find my place for myself to talk because everywhere they are wandering and like you can understand
okay.
them when all
Yes,
people
ma'am.
will at home then what
Yes,
will
ma'am.
happen. Yeah,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
kids
I
are
can
also
understand.
there. There are like two kids of mine and two kids of my brother, so they always make noise at.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you are doing. I mean, you're managing very great. Managing the
Yeah,
things, the
yeah,
kids,
I'm
the
trying to.
household chores, and the channel.
This
Yes,
time
ma'am.
I
It's
didn't find to time to study. At least I'm practicing some time with people, but I didn't get time for study. Sometime I used to study, but always make noise and I can't find peace anymore. Silence.
okay. I got you. And
Understand? No?
also, yes, ma'am, I understood you completely. And also, I read self help books too. You will give it. I mean, Robin Sharma's book. Who will cry
Robin,
when you die? Yes, ma'am.
actually, I heard this name. Yeah, I have heard this name, but I
Yes,
didn't read.
it is also great
So
book
tell
with
me something about this book.
yes, ma'am. I mean, yeah, Who Will Cry When You Die is a book written by Robin Sharma, and there is only a lesson with one page. I mean, uh, the life, maybe 100 life lessons. I think there are maybe more. I don't know, but
Mhm.
i- i- yeah, and also in a single page, he
Okay,
he give he give he'll give some life suggestions for us to how to manage our lives, how to manage the stress circumstances, and some daily habits to make ourselves more productive.
okay,
Yes, ma'am. There are great
it's
stories, and
great.
that
Yeah.
lessons won't exceed one page. There is only one page. You
Okay,
can you can turn any page. You can get a lesson,
I get a
life
lesson.
lesson.
Okay,
That's
then I could look.
yes,
I when who will cry when you die?
by Robin Sharma. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I will definitely read this one. I will read because yeah, it's a good book. Like you are saying, like it is a helpful
Yes,
book, and you can how you manage all the things. I like to read these type of
give it
things,
a
and
try. Okay, okay.
okay, okay.
Try reading.
Because
Okay.
like now what what I want myself like I want to grow day by day, like I want to learn something new, something like I want to enhance something in myself, like something I want to see myself
Productive. Yes, you
productive
have
and
you.
something different, something new on daily basis. Like
Yes,
I was, yeah, but I was earlier. I don't want. If I thought like if now I'm thinking what I was that time, that was that Neetu was something different. Like I don't like that Neetu. Now I am what I am. I like myself like this time because now I manage things like I'm learning many things like I learned and that time I was not I was like complaining girl.
yeah, okay,
I don't
but
like
you
people, yeah. But new
you
yeah.
you have
Go
been
ahead.
changed to an incredible woman. That's great.
Yeah. I wanted to be something like
Yes,
I
that's
am
a great
very
thing actually. It's very
yeah.
appreciable.
Yeah, so today I with talking to you,
Okay,
I
ma'am.
learned so many things, and I'm very thankful to you that you suggest me two books, and I will going to read those books and
Thank you,
learn
ma'am.
something new, and then I will tell you what I learned.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the compliment, and it's pleasure meeting you too.
Yeah, because that's why I like talking people because they will definitely give you some lesson and something like that's why I like to explore
Yes,
new things
we
with
can
people.
learn from each other. We can learn and grow together. That's great.
Yeah, we can. Yeah. So,
Yes.
Pradeep, now what you are going to do? What is the schedule for today?
Yeah, as usual. I in the afternoon, I after taking my lunch, I'll take a short nap and go to the field and take the cattle to the field. That's my
Yeah,
daily routine, ma'am.
okay, it's a great. You're doing great job. Like to handle kettle is not a easy task. You
Yes,
are.
ma'am.
Okay, so Pradeep, one thing I also want to tell you, like I have watched your video, like shorts, and that was fantastic. You are doing very good job, and keep going, keep growing, and best of luck
Thank,
from my side.
thank you, ma'am, and all the best for your future endeavors too. All the best and best of luck. You will definitely get a teacher job, the job you want, the job you
Yeah,
love.
thank you, thank you very much. Yeah,
Th-
when the
Thank you, ma'am.
situation will remain like as usual, then it will happen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Pradeep. Nice to
Have a
talk to
great day,
you.
ma'am. It's
Have a
nice
great day
meeting you
too,
and
you.
talking to you. Bye now.
Okay, bye bye.